A very good morning, everyone. I hope you all are well. So, today we will start our new chapter, that is staying connected. How we are staying connected with each other with the means of transport and with the means of communication. And in this chapter, we'll study about that. So, firstly, we'll understand the meaning of transport. What is the meaning of transport? Transport refers to a system of carrying people and goods from one place to another by land, air, or water. So, what is the meaning of transport is? That means transport is a system which carries the people and the goods from one place to another, and it may be by land, it may be by air, or by water. And if you might have seen in the movies or in the images that in the ancient times the animals were used for moving from one place to another or for transporting good from one place to another. The animals like horses, the bullock carts, they were used for the transportation. But in the 1700, when the steam engine was developed, at that time, after the development of steam engine, the traveling and the transportation, it becomes easier and the faster. That means before that we have to take the help of the animals, and that was very slower process. But after the invention of steam engine, the traveling and the transportation of goods, it becomes easier and the faster. And after the steam engine in the 1800 and the 1900s, people began to use fuel powered automobiles. Now, after the steam engine in 1800 and in 1900, people they start using fuel powered automobiles, and these fuel powered automobiles, this was used for transport. And after this transport, the cars were also manufactured. That means now the general public can use the cars for going from one place to another. And after that, in 1903, Orville and the Wilbur Wright, they together, if we call them, they were known as the Wright brothers. They built the first aeroplane. Today we'll talk about the airways. So many airlines are there, but the Wright brothers were there who built the first aeroplane. So now we'll study about the modes of transport. As we know, the different types of modes of transports are there, as you can see in the pictures. So there are basically three types of the transport: roadways, airways, and the waterways. So firstly, we'll clear about the roadways. Roadways, what are the roadways? Roadways are a very convenient means for transporting people and goods on land. So, what is the roadways? It's a very convenient means. Convenient, that means easily we can walk on that, we can move by car or by any other vehicle, and they are very convenient, and it's a very convenient means of transport. And with the help of the people and the goods, they can move from one place to another through the land transport. Roadways is one of the means of land transport. And India has a large network of roads. So our India, it has a large network of roads which is connecting the villages, the towns, and the city with one another, and it also makes the land transport more convenient. Roads can be built both in the plains and in the mountains. So roads, they are built everywhere, whether we'll go in the plain area, whether we'll go in the hilly areas. The roads, they are built there. And most of these roads, they are the metal roads. Metal means most of these roads are the pakka roads. But if we go in the villages, mostly we'll see the kacha roads also there. There are some villages where the kacha roads are also there. Next, we'll study India has a large network of big, wide roads, and these are called highways. So, India, it has a large network of roads, and the network of big and the wide roads. The network of big and the wide roads, they are called as the highways. Like if we have to go from one place to another, from one our city to another city, so we will use the highways. From one state to another, we will use the highways. There are national highways. There are so many national highways that connect the major roads. That means that highways connect one state to another in the country. That means in the India we have so many states, and that national highways, it connect the one state with the another state within the country. And these national highways, they are named as like NH1, NH2, and so on, till so many are there. So they will start with NH1, that means National Highway 1, National Highway 2, and so on. So thank you. I hope this much is clear to you. The rest we will study in the next video.